Hi pupils, this lesson's topic is going to be, what time is it? On this slide you see analog clocks, but today we'll learn how to say digital time. Have a look at this digital clock. You can see two sets of numbers divided by a colon. In front of the colon you see the hours, behind the colon the minutes. Now, how do you read a digital clock? Well, that's easy. Just say what you see. So what time can you see on this clock? It's 7:10. What time is it? It's 4:44. And what time can you see here? Yes, it's 12:32. What time is it now? It's 10 o'clock. So when you see two zeros behind the colon, you say o'clock. Next one. What time is it? It's 5:30. Okay, something new now. Pay attention. When the first number behind the colon is a 0, followed by a number between 1 and 10, you have to pronounce this 0 as O. So right now it's 11:08. On this clock it's 4:07. Keep in mind, when you use the digital time, they talk about a 12-hour time. So pay attention. When you see the numbers 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and so on, up to 24 in front of the colon, you don't use these numbers. You have to subtract 12 from this number. So the time on this clock is 2:05. Let's try one more time. So minus 12. So this clock reads 9:21. Again, minus 12, it's 4:18. Last one, minus 12, so it's 11:59. But how do we know whether it is 11:59 in the morning or in the evening? Well, we can use AM or PM. In this case, it's 11:59 PM. What is the difference between AM and PM? Well, there is a great video on our website about this question. You can watch it after this presentation. But for now, what is the difference? AM is from midnight until noon. Dus van middernacht tot 's middags. It comes from the Latin words ante-meridium. Try to remember AM with the words all morning. PM is from noon until midnight, van 's middags tot middernacht, and it comes from the Latin words post-meridium. Try to remember this one with the words past midday, and midday is a synonym for the word noon. Now this was a presentation about digital time. Take your workbook on page 176 and highlight everything on that page which is highlighted in this slide. So everything in blue, and you also have to add some extra information. Now we are quickly going to read this orange box. So digital time, how do we say it? On the left side you can see a column with the title we write. On the right side you can see a second column with the title we say. Dus 5:30 wordt 5:30. 7:04 wordt 7:04. Remember, all the minutes between 1 and 9 you have to say O followed by the number you see. 13:28 wordt 1:28 p.m. 18 wordt 6 p.m. or 6 o'clock. Remember, hours, never say the numbers 13 up to 24. 13 wordt 1 p.m. 17 wordt 5 p.m. 11 wordt 11 p.m. This time is read or said like midnight, and at this one, 12 uur, is said noon or midday. Let's have a look at the good to know part. Dat weten jullie ondertussen al. We use AM, Latin antemeridian, which means before noon, from midnight till noon. We use PM, Latin post-meridian, which means afternoon or from noon till midnight. So this was it, guys. Very important. Time flies, whether you're having fun or not, so have fun. So watch the video about the difference between AM and PM, do the exercises in your workbook, and I would say, see you next time. Take care, stay safe, bye.